Florence Nightingale, Wise Sayings and Quotes. 1. Every woman is a nurse. 2. I have seen hell, and because I had seen hell, I am set apart. 3. Never lose an opportunity of urging a practical beginning, however small, for it is wonderful how often in such matters the mustard seed germinates and roots itself. 4. Ought all to be distilled into actions and into actions which bring results. 5. Every woman, or at least almost every woman, in England has, at one time or another of her life, been in charge of the personal health of somebody, whether child or invalid. In other words, every woman is a nurse. 6. No man, not even a doctor, ever gives any other definition of what a nurse should be than this: devoted and obedient. This definition would do just as well for a horse. It would not do for a policeman. 7. I stand at the altar of the murdered men, and, while I live, I fight their cause. 8. If I could only carry one point which would prevent one part of the recurrence of the colossal calamity, then I should be true to the brave dead. 9. The Nightingale Training School was a place of training of character, habits, and intelligence, as well as of acquiring knowledge.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Do give us a thumbs up if you did, by clicking on the like button. When you click on the like button, it helps to get more people to watch this video at no additional cost to you. To choose more videos to watch on this channel, click on subscribe button and also on the bell icon. Your opinion is important to us. Leave a comment in the comment box below.
Save One channel is committed to building up followers into leaders and changing leaders into agents of change. If you are new on this channel, do consider subscribing. Save One channel is committed to building up followers in